Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn two ways to add a group of numbers. You will also learn how to find the average of a set of numbers, to find the maximum value from this set, and also the minimum value. So let's get started. To perform any calculation in Excel, always start with the equal to sign. So type the equal to sign and type sum. Select sum from the options that come up and select the range of numbers that you would like to add. So I'm going to select this range of numbers, close the bracket, and press enter. And there you have the total of the numbers you've selected. Another way to add numbers is to use the AutoSum function right here from the Formulas tab. So type the equal to sign in the cell where you want the total to appear. Go up to the Formulas tab and select AutoSum. Select the group of numbers you want to add, close the bracket, and press enter. And there you have your yearly total. And that's how to use the AutoSum function from the Formulas tab. What if you want to find the average of the numbers? Type the equal to sign, select average, select the set of numbers from which you want to calculate your average. So I'm going to select all these numbers from F4 through F15. Close the bracket and press enter. So that is the average of this set. What if you have a large set of numbers and you want to find the maximum number? Same thing, select the cell where you want the maximum number to show. Type the equal to sign, then select maximum from the option, select max from the option. Put in the cell range F4 through F15 and press enter. So that is the maximum value from this set, $70,000. The minimum value, you press the equal to sign, select minimum. Let's say you want the minimum value from a subset. You select the range that you want and close the bracket, press enter. If you want it from the whole set, you have to specify the cell range. Select all the cells or type in the cell range, close the bracket and press enter. And there you have all your values, your yearly total, the average, the maximum, and the minimum value.